Leah Thomas, also known as Green Girl Leah, and I'm an environmental justice author, advocate, and the founder of the nonprofit Intersectional Environmentalist. That you have to buy your way into sustainability when the most sustainable thing is using what you already have. Repairing what you already have, learning to sew, and mending things is really sustainable. Pickling is a new thing that I tried with this org called Usal that's in LA. So just being outside, going to a garden, and like pickling things is like pretty eco. I would say moody, or like a Gemini. Earth just goes through a lot of different phases and always has historically. But the beautiful thing about the Earth is it always kind of comes back into balance. But we have to do our part to make sure restoring that balance isn't that difficult. I would say that there is hope. I know there's a lot of doom and gloom when it comes to climate communications and media, but there's so many people with beautiful solutions in their heads. So learn about those solutions, focus on the joy, and get really plugged into your local community.